Early domestication, the first partnership with dogs. The domestication of animals had profound and lasting impacts on human societies. It enabled more stable food supplies, supported larger populations, and led to the development of permanent settlements. The surplus resources generated by animal domestication contributed to social stratification, the rise of specialized professions, and the emergence of complex civilizations. In addition to economic and social changes, the domestication of animals influenced human culture and religion. Animals became central to mythology, religious rituals, and symbolism in various societies. For instance, cattle were revered in ancient Egypt and India, while horses held significant cultural and spiritual value in numerous Indo-European cultures. The symbiotic relationship between humans and domesticated animals also led to co-evolutionary changes. Humans selectively bred animals for desirable traits, which in turn influenced human lifestyles and health. The consumption of dairy products, for example, led to the evolution of lactose tolerance in certain human populations. The domestication of animals began approximately 15,000 to 30,000 years ago, with dogs being the first animals to enter into a symbiotic relationship with humans. Archaeological evidence, including ancient dog remains found alongside human settlements and burials, suggests that wolves were gradually domesticated through a process of mutual benefit. Early humans provided food and protection, while the wolves, which evolved into domesticated dogs, assisted in hunting and guarding. This partnership significantly improved the survival and efficiency of human groups. The exact timeline and location of dog domestication remain subjects of ongoing research and debate, but genetic studies indicate that domesticated dogs emerged from a common ancestor with wolves somewhere in Eurasia. This early domestication marked a fundamental shift in human-animal relationships, setting the stage for further domestication efforts and altering the dynamics of human societies. Livestock domestication, transforming agriculture. Following the domestication of dogs, humans began to domesticate livestock around 10,000 years ago during the Neolithic Revolution. This period, often referred to as the Agricultural Revolution, saw the transition from nomadic hunter-gatherer lifestyles to settled agricultural communities. The domestication of animals such as sheep, goats, pigs, and cattle played a crucial role in this transformation. Sheep and goats were among the first livestock to be domesticated in the Fertile Crescent, a region spanning modern-day Iraq, Syria, Lebanon, Israel, and Jordan. These animals provided not only meat, but also milk, wool, and hides, making them valuable resources for early agricultural societies. Archaeological evidence from sites like Çatalhöyük in Turkey shows signs of domesticated sheep and goats dating back to around 8000 BCE. Cattle domestication followed closely, with evidence of domesticated cattle in regions such as the Near East, the Indus Valley, and North Africa. Domesticated cattle offered multiple benefits, including milk, meat, leather, and draft power for plowing fields, which greatly enhanced agricultural productivity. The ability to cultivate larger areas of land and produce surplus food led to population growth and the development of complex societies. Beyond livestock, domestication of horses and other animals. The domestication of horses around 4000 BCE in the steppes of Central Asia marked another significant milestone in human history. Horses revolutionized transportation, warfare, and trade, providing unprecedented mobility and leading to the expansion of human settlements and cultures. The Botai culture in Kazakhstan is among the earliest known groups to have domesticated horses, as evidenced by archaeological findings of horse bones with bitware and residues of mare's milk in pottery. Other animals were domesticated for various purposes, contributing to the diversity of human economies and cultures. Chickens were domesticated in Southeast Asia around 7000 BCE, initially for cockfighting and later for meat and eggs. Domesticated camels in Arabia and North Africa facilitated trade across harsh desert terrains, while llamas and alpacas in the Andes were used for transport, wool and meat by indigenous South American cultures. The domestication of animals extended to smaller species as well, such as rabbits, which were domesticated in the Mediterranean region during the Roman period, and bees, which were kept for honey and wax in ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia,